The macaroni, what we're making now, is the most, would have to say, the most traditional and most asked for recipe and how to make them by tourists and everybody around. And we actually all get together and with the tourists and teach them how to make them. And we're all rolling macaroni. And this would go for a lot of little villages in Sicily. We all get together as neighbours and actually go in the courtyards, in our little laneways. We set up our little tables and we're all there making macaroni together. When the tourists come, they all like to join in with us. And it becomes quite a festive kind of day. Of course, there are certain things that we can't make out there, like parmigiana, like she had said, but things with like pasta and things like this and gnocchi and whatever, we can all do and do together as a united township. As we're doing it, you will hear music playing, you will hear some of the mothers singing, the children playing. It's a very, very happy atmosphere and fun, most of all. And of course, we get to eat, which we love the best.
Ma tu sai parlare siciliano?
Ma come no? Ma che dici?
Ma parli?
Tutta mia vita ho parlato il siciliano, specialmente a casa con mia mamma e mio papà.
Ma parlo siciliano antico perché...
Io solo chi lo saccio, siciliano antico. Ora qua piace, siete tutte moderne. Sì, tutte moderne, parlate italiano, no.
Ah, però...
What I just said was, Maria Angela says that some of us immigrants, when we left, you know, what she doesn't realise, when we left and then come back here, there are certain Sicilian words that they don't even understand now. What I explained to Maria Angela is that in the times when our parents left to go and immigrate to make a better life for themselves, for their families, and went to far foreign countries to bring their family forward, we brought, or I should say in my case, my parents brought with them the traditions, the cultures of back then from when they left. Now, from back then, we carried them through right up till today. We still carry them right up till today. I have even passed them on to my children, and like everybody else, we all do pass them on. We are a united cultural family. It is very important for us immigrants. Okay, I'll explain it a little bit better. When we left, or when my father left, my parents, they left with a broken heart, a completely broken heart, but they left to better their family, to bring forward and make a better life for us children, That tradition, we have carried it through. And I am so proud, so very, very, very proud
Controlliamo la salsa.
to still carry it through. I'm also very proud that my son has taken it upon himself as well and he is proud and he wants to bring it through to his children, my grandchildren. And we find it quite, when we come back here to Sicily, even for a holiday, we find a difference because, of course, it's only normal, it's only natural that life goes on. Different generations, it all changes. It's normal. But for some, it's very hard to explain. For some of us, we have carried it through in our foreign country, and we still do carry it through. But I will say something, and this is speaking on a personal level about myself. I have moved back here to Sicily, but when I moved to Australia, I have a lot to thank Australia for, a lot. Because of the opportunities Australia gave me in life. Firstly, to even be able to find work. The very, very first thing. But I'll also say, yes, I call Australia home, but this is where my heart is, here in Sicily. I'm very, very lucky because I consider myself extremely lucky because I have two homes. Two homes. Sicily and Australia. Vedi, tutte queste tradizioni a fare pasta, cose, queste, noi le facciamo tutti là in Australia. Tutti, tutto.
Vabbè, loro hanno fatto proprio delle comunità poi all'estero in effetti.
Sì, infatti.
Ricreato le feste popolari,
Sì, e queste sì.
dei santi, c'è tutto.
Sì, sì, e abbiamo fatto noi a Motta Camastra, in agosto facciamo la festa da Madonna, la festa da Madonna. E noi cosa abbiamo fatto in Australia per farti capire il nostro cuore? Cosa abbiamo fatto? Abbiamo fatto una replica di questa Madonna e l'abbiamo portata a Sydney, ok? E ogni anno festeggiamo anche noi. Mio papà ha fatto il presidente per 18 anni per questa festa e ora giustamente non c'è più. Perciò noi tutte queste tradizioni, queste cose, l'abbiamo portato tutto con noi e ce l'abbiamo nel cuore.
Vedi perché ti dico che io non me ne vado?
E perché io me ne viene qua? Ai ai ai. And we have finished.
Abbiamo finito
That's it,
il
you
nostro
see?
lavoro.
We have finished our work. The macaroni are done. Okay?
Ultimo.
The last one. Finished.